Hi, my name is Jerry Yu, the Family Money Doctor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the 6 most popular ways to use life insurance in a financial plan. But before we begin, I just wanted to start off by saying that blanket financial advice is never good. What's important when you are looking for a financial advisor or a fiduciary is you want to work with somebody who can understand your whole family financial situation. And he's going to be a goal-based or solution-based focus to really get what your specific wants and needs accomplished. See, I often refer to financial planning like a roadmap. Okay, you are at the point A and you want to go to point B the most efficient way possible. There's a lot of different ways to get there, but it's a financial advisor's job to make sure they guide you, get you there safely, and ultimately give you that peace of mind. See, with life insurance, it's oftentimes be considered the Swiss Army knife of financial planning tool because it has so many different solutions. See, when properly executed, can fit really nicely in an overall financial plan. Now, there's many uses of life insurance, but today we're going to review the 6 of the most popular use for life insurance. The first one is the income replacement. See, when you think about it, when you are between the age of 35 to 55, you are in your core earning years. That's when you are making the most amount of money. If you were to pass away during that time, you're really leaving your family and the loved one and your family in a very tight and uncomfortable financial situation. So oftentimes, people will consider purchasing life insurance to supplement that lost income. You know, when you think about mortgages or college expenses or even funeral expenses, see, having something in place will help make sure that your family and loved one can continue to live on. And the next, we have college planning. See, in college planning, believe it or not, if you have a cash value life insurance policy, you can actually leverage the cash value in that policy to pay for your student tuitions. See, in addition to that, the cash value life insurance does not count against your EFC, expected family contribution. And you may ask, what does that mean? Okay, what that means is that your student or whoever you're helping to go to college may actually be able to be eligible for any student grant, or maybe scholarship, or even perhaps financial aid. So it's important when looking at a strategy like this that you actually are finding and doing the research to work with a certified college planner. Next, we have the retirement planning. Now, retirement planning, I wanted to start out by saying that life insurance is not an investment. Okay, what it is, it's another savings component that you can utilize in your overall financial plan. Think of maybe like your 401k or a Roth IRA. See, these are different savings tools that you can use in your financial plan to help you in later years of your life. And life insurance can be utilized the exact same way. If you think about maybe the 3 types of money, right? We talk about the 3 types of money: the taxable, the tax deferred, and tax-free. Cash value in life insurance fits into the tax-free bucket. And we'll be talking about some of the tax advantages coming up. Next is going to be tax diversification. Now, with the tax diversification, cash value life insurance allows clients to take advantage of a lot of the IRS tax code that has been specifically designed for life insurance that a lot of other vehicles simply don't have. So you can view the specific from my other YouTube video. It's called How to Properly Fund an IUL Policy per the IRS Guideline. Now, the premium that you contribute into your policy are contributed after tax. So the interest is going to grow tax deferred. So if you choose to take the money out from your life insurance policy, you can choose to either withdraw the principal or take it out as a policy loan. When you get that money, it's completely income tax free. And then, of course, if you were to pass away, the death benefit that it will pay to your beneficiary, and that is also income tax free. Now, you may say, well, I have a life insurance policy, and maybe it's not the policy that I want anymore. Well, there's something called the 1035 exchange. Okay? And in a 1035 exchange, if you have a current policy that maybe you're not satisfied with, maybe there's a better plan out there that suits your current needs, well, you can actually do a replacement, okay, and replace your current policy, life insurance policy, and take the cash value from that policy into a new one, completely tax-free. Next, we have the business needs. Okay. Small business and medium businesses are the lifeblood of America. See, when you think about business owners, their main concern is to make sure that their employees are being paid and their businesses will continue to live on. See, if you have a business that with one or multiple partners, if one of them passes away, it's really important that the other business owners are able to continue and to keep that business going. So oftentimes, what business partners will consider set up what is called a buy-sell agreement and utilizing life insurance policies to fulfill that need. Last but not least, we have estate planning. See, we all want to make sure that we can transfer our estate in the most tax-efficient way possible to the next generation. See, it just so happened that life insurance allows us to do that because of the liquidity that it provides at death. See, by having that liquidity, it allows us to pay for any expenses for that estate, as well as any potential estate taxes. Now, if you've been paying attention to any of the news out there, the current administration have talked about potentially raise the estate tax higher than the current 40%. And then you may ask yourself, well, how would I pay for those estate taxes when I'm not here? See, sometimes life insurance, again, when properly structured, could be a great solution for that to pay for your estate taxes. Now, today, we went over 6 of the most major and most popular use of life insurance, and some of them might apply to you, and some of them may not. But the point of this is we wanted to let you know that there's options out there. And by working with your financial advisors, hopefully you can find one of these options that may fit within your financial plan. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you at the next video.